What up, people? Once again, it's your boy Icon. Well, today we'll still be continuing on our signing system. This signing process have lingered for too long, and I can't wait to just kill it. Nail it once and for all, and be done with it. But I have a feeling this is gonna run for like 2 more videos. But whatever the case, let's just go on and see how it goes. There are 2 things I would want us to revisit from some of the coding we've done from our previous tutorials. First of all, I would want to return this form action to empty, to blank. The other thing I would love us to do is to take out a reference to this account link function right here. There's no need for this. We only need the tags for our sign-in page. We won't be putting that there, so I'll take this off. By the way, this is the reason for the error we've been seeing on our sign-in page. This error. So once I refresh, error is gone, and our page is as good as new. Alright, having said that, I believe we are good to go. We are ready to start coding the PHP part of our sign-in system. Alright, what I would want to do is to put a check to check if a user has been signed in, and how we're going to do this is to check if our session has been created. So if it's set, what do we, I think the session is, let's use access. So if $_session, okay, I think that's good. Access, right? So if this session has been created, then we are going to relocate. I'll explain this in a minute. Header location. This should be wrapped between single quotations. The location is sign out .php. Okay. Let me end this off. If is set $_session access, meaning that our user is signed in and is still trying to sign in again, what we are going to do is to sign him out so that he signs in afresh. I wouldn't understand why he would be on this page if he's signed in already. It's not even gonna work. So should in case he accidentally comes here, we're gonna sign him out of the system. Well, this is alright. I'm gonna save this and let's see. What we are gonna do next is to check if our submit button was pressed from our sign-in page. So if it sets $_submit. No. $_post submit. Okay, if our submit button was pressed, then what we're gonna do is to receive, let me first of all do the PHP for our username. Afterward we'll handle our password. So username, we are gonna do a little bit of check to be sure that our text fields were not empty when the user clicked on the submit button. So if empty, okay, dollar underscore post. So what's the name of our text field for username? Input text, input. So username, let me copy this. Okay, and paste it over here. So if empty $_post username, so if our username field is empty, what we're going to do is to issue out an error message. Error. I don't know whether you guys took note, but from our CSS styling we styled an error message. Okay, I'm going to take you through that. CSS, I think this is in the main CSS file. We have a point where we created some styling for a class called error right here. So we have this. All it's going to do is to give us a nice lovely looking red slim bar at the top of our web page, and that bar is going to contain whatever error message we have in this variable. So if the username field is empty, we are going to ask the user to kindly key supply your username. Okay, else if I'll break this down, sorry, I need to have, okay, else if character type C type underscore unknown. Don't worry guys, I know that it's looking a little bit confusing, but I'm going to explain. Just give me a minute to type this out. $_post username, so if our character type is an alphabet or numerical, we are going to assign the content of our username text field to this variable called username. Okay, well, I think that settles it for this. So else we just display out an error message. Else let's say $error message. So if this condition isn't met, which means our text field contains something, and then the second condition isn't met, it simply means that our username field, what was keyed into the field, isn't either an alphabetical string or a numerical string or a combination of both. So whatever it is, we can't accept it into the system. So what we are going to say or display out to the user is let's say sorry, username can only consist of strings of let's say of letters, letters and numbers. Well, that works. Alright, let's save off. Okay. Well, this covers for our username, so let's do the same for the password field. I'm going to copy this and we'll just effect a little bit of changes for the password area. First of all, let's password, change this to password. So if empty $_post, I believe we named that as password. Kindly supply your password. Then we won't be needing the whole of this block. Okay, should end on a semicolon. Else, so if something is keyed into our password field, what we should do is to receive the contents of the password field into a variable we're gonna call password equal to what I'm going to do is to use this md5 function to hash whatever password is keyed in. Then I'm also gonna add a second layer of check. Let's see, my SQL SQL underscore real SQ string right here. Cool. Then in here we can $_post password. Okay, all I've done here, is to create a variable called password and then receive whatever was typed into our password field into this variable. But before then, I've checked if there are SQL statements or if our user is trying to inject SQL statements into our database. That's what this function does. It cleans up whatever was imputed into that field. Then finally we hash the content of the text of the password field and then assigns it into this variable called password. Alright, let's pause it over here. Let's stop over here, and I think we should take a break and continue the final part of our sign-in system in the next tutorial or in the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun, all of you.